Perpetual Income 365 is a revolutionary online income system that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Designed to provide individuals with a sustainable and consistent source of income, it offers a unique approach to generating passive income. Let's delve into the details of Perpetual Income 365 and explore its features and benefits. My maxim isn't to procure for myself, however, to impart something extraordinary to you. Trust me, I'm from India and come from an unfortunate family. Thus, I start this YouTube video with extraordinary expectation. Kindly offer, and remark. Besides, assuming you partake in my video, click on the connection referenced in the remark box and figure out the whole situation. May Jesus favor you. PLS. Watch full video and click free link in comment box. First comment. Thanks a bunch. Perpetual Income 365 is an innovative online platform that allows individuals to create a steady stream of income on autopilot. The system is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. The creators of Perpetual Income 365 have combined proven marketing strategies and cutting-edge software to help users generate passive income. With Perpetual Income 365, users can tap into the vast potential of affiliate marketing, a popular and lucrative online business model. The system provides step-by-step guidance on setting up a successful affiliate marketing campaign, even for beginners. The system emphasizes the importance of recurring income streams, enabling users to earn money consistently over time. It's my humble request, please, click on link in comment box. First comment is mine attached with link. Watch video and understand the entire true story, then decide what to do. Choice is yours, sir and madam.
When you're working on a dream, at some point in time, a transition takes place. And the transition is what you are becoming in pursuit of the dream. Because even if you don't get the dream, you become such a strong and powerful person. It will so change your life, you can look at something else and say, well, I think I'll go do this then. Because you have now developed yourself in such confidence and such competence in how to deal in the arena of life that you can move into another area and not miss a beat. Once you begin to discover who you are, then you really realize how you have been given authority and dominion over everything on the face of the earth, including all the dimensions of your life. But you can only do that through the struggle of life. And most people avoid the struggle. Most people go through life avoiding pain. And when you go through life